1, 2, 3.
Puppy here. Nada. Puppy here. Nada.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Don't, is that all to me? Don't leave me. I love you, see me born. Blood clot hurt. I love that. You see me born hurt. Your blood clot dealing me. I don't like it.
This pussy I need to can't pick and go to school. Turn your back to the classroom, so I'm going to pick and rip.
That dog.
Make the business so way teacher say. You know there's a wicked blood clot somebody to pick. Why you have the business so long in your ass, man?
You have a 3-year-old child, and you find out that the 3-year-old child is not yours. Would you still maintain the child?
Well, so long that we have done tests and it's not mine, she have to give me back my contribution.
You say you want to make your money?
Yeah, man, because she be none of mine, you know. But she could will.
And you want back your...
Never want back here with blood clot friend.
Area. $300 piece. Alright, make me ask you $300. $300 piece. $100?